Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are safe and sound and staying home. If you are going out, please use mask and wear gloves to pick up any item. Make sure to keep the social distancing and stay safe. So I brought the whole of this week. This is from 19th of July till 25th of July. I hope you will like it. Let's go to deal one by one. First deal is on Venus. Venus Razor this week is buy one, get one 50% off, and when you buy two, you will get $5 extra bucks. So I bought this one because this was because there's a coupon on CVS Send to App card, and that is attaching only to this one, the Venus Gillette Razor 3. So make sure that you buy this one. So this was marked as $959 at my store, but online it is $899. So you can buy either online. This deal can be done online as well. If you have CarePass, that will also help you for free shipping. So I bought this one for $959 and the other one was 50% off. So that brought my total to $14.38. I used two coupons from PNG of $5. Or you can use $5 from Send to Cart and $3 also from Send to Cart. So if you have your app, you can use that. You can even log in onto the cvs.com and you can utilize those two coupons. I had a CRT of $3 off 10 Gillette, and combining these three, that reduces my total to $1.38, and I got back $5 extra bucks, making it $3.62 money maker. And I'm counting towards my $50 PNG rebate. If once it is done, I will share that one as well with you guys. Next deal is on Schick. Schick razors this week is $5.99 for Skintimates and $8.99 for Schick Hydro. So I bought one of each. That brought my total to $14.98. So Schick was also spend $15, get $5 extra bucks with the limit of 1. I used two coupons of $4 from coupons.com. If you don't have coupon, you can message me in the comment. I can definitely help you in that. I used $3 off $12 Schick CRT. I used $3 off Schick Hydro 5 CRT. I tried to combine Schick Refill CRT with this as well, but that did not work for me. So I will let you pass that, don't combine that one. But you can use all those four coupons and CRTs. So that reduced my total to 98 cents. I rolled off 98 cents and I got back $5 extra bucks, making it $4 money maker. Let's go to next deal. Next deal is on Colgate. Colgate again this week is $3.49, and when you buy two, you will get back $4.50 extra bucks with a limit of 2. That brought my total to $14.96. I used $5 off 3 Colgate Send to Cart coupon, and I used $3 off $10 Colgate CRT. That reduces my total to $6.96. If you have teeth whitening CRT, don't forget to combine that as well. That will also help you to reduce your total. I got back $9 extra bucks, making it $2 money maker. Sharper Image, there are several deals, but I did this one because I had a CRT for the pain one, and this one was making my deal completely free, so that's why I did this part. So Sharper Image pain reliever this week is spend 20, get $5 extra bucks with a limit of 1. This one was marked as $19.99 at my store. I used $15 Sharper Image pain CRT. That reduces my total to $4.99. I got back $5 extra bucks, making it completely free. So CoverGirl this week is buy two, get $6 extra bucks with a limit of 1. I bought these two twin brow pencils. They were marked as $5.99 at my store. Brought my total to $11.98. I used two coupons from last week insert of $3, and I had a $1.50 CoverGirl mascara CRT as well. That also worked on this, and I rolled off $4.48 and got back $6 extra bucks, making it $1.50 moneymaker. So this week, Suave and Tresemme are buy two for $8, and when you buy two, you will get back $3 extra bucks. I combined this Suave with the waterless because I had a $4 off 18 shampoo CRT. So waterless is buy one get one 50% off, and this waterless was $8.99 marked at my store, and other one will be counted as $4.50. I used $2 off 2 Suave CRT. I used $5 off waterless CRT. I used $4 off 2 waterless send to card CRT, and I used $4 off $18 shampoo CRT. That reduces my total to $6.49. I rolled off $6.49, got back $3 extra bucks for Suave, and so I submitted my rebate to Swagbucks. I got $4 for buying Suave, and I submitted my rebate to Checkout 51. I also got $4 from that as well, making it $4.50 moneymaker. And waterless also counts toward PNG rebate, so make sure to save your receipt, and that can definitely help you. Let's go to next deal. So CeraVe, there is no as such deal, but I had coupons on CRT, that's why I did this deal. So this CeraVe was $11.49 at my store. I bought 2 of them, that brought my total to $22.98. I used $5 of 2 app only coupon. I used $4 coupons from CeraVe.com, 2 of them. I had $5 of CeraVe CRT. I had $3 of CeraVe CRT as well. That reduces my total to $1.98 and making it 99 cents for each of them. If you have the facial care CRT like $5 of $22 or $4 of $20, you can combine that one as well with this. If you don't have CeraVe.com's coupon, I think it's not available anymore because I tried to print it next week, but it was not available this week. So I will suggest if you already have that, print it and then utilize on this one. Otherwise, they are not coming for me. So let's go for the next deal. Unstoppable is $2.94. There was $1 app only and $1 send to cart, reducing the total to 94 cents for Unstoppable. I will suggest to must-do deal because usually we don't get this cheap. And if you have a coupon, don't forget to combine that. I think that will help you to make it 0. Okay, let's go to the next deal. So Tresemme 22 ounce this week is buy 2 get $10 buy 2 for $10 and get back $2 extra bucks with a limit of 1. I used $4 of 2 coupon from This Week Insert. I used $2.50 of 8 CRT. I used $2 of Tresemme CRT as well. That reduces my total to $1.50 and I got back $2 extra bucks, making it 50 cent moneymaker. I looked on the Fetch Rewards app, but there was nothing showing off for me, so I did not submit it there. If you guys have it, make sure to submit it and you will get some points as well from there. So don't forget to submit it on the Fetch for yourself. Okay, let's go to next deal. Next is Pringles. So this wavy jalapeno Pringles were $2.19 at my store. I submitted to Ibotta for 15 cents, making it $2.04 for me. Yeah, I just like it. I just want to try it. That's why I bought it. There's no such deal on this one. Let's go to next deal. Next deal is on Sally Hansen. Sally Hansen this week is spend 20, get $7 extra bucks. So this miracle gel was $10.29 at my store, making my total to $20.58. I had a $5 off 2 Sally Hansen CRT. That reduces my total to $15.58. I got back $7 extra bucks, making it $8.58 for both of them. $4.29 for each of the Sally Hansen nail polish. I would suggest to do this deal. I did this deal because I had some extra bucks. They were expiring and I think the price was decent for me. Let's go to next deal. Next deal was Paparazzi. So Paparazzi was buy 2 get $4 extra bucks with a limit of 1. When you buy 2, they are ringing up for $5, and I had a $1 off 5 paparazzi CRT. I know some of the people shared that they are getting some app only coupons for paparazzi, and they are getting $1 off paparazzi as well. So if you have those CRTs, don't forget to combine them. For me, that reduces the total to $4. I rolled off $4 extra bucks, got back $4, making it completely free. So Cetaphil this week is $10.49, and there is no as such deal on this. Actually, I had a CRTs, two of them for $4. So I combined both of them for this one, and I combined $2 from last week Retail Me Not as well. That reduces my total to 49 cent, but this counts toward beauty, so that makes it 51 cent moneymaker. So Speed Stick this week is buy one get one 50% off, and when you buy two you will get back $2 extra bucks with a limit of 1. So I purchased these two Speed Stick. One was $329 and another was $165, making it $494 as my total. I had three app only coupons. One was $1, other one was also $1, third one was 50 cent, and there was $1 off 2 Speed Stick CRT as well. That reduces my total to $1.44, and I got back $2 extra bucks, making it 56 cent moneymaker. So Garnier this week was buy two get $5 extra bucks, and I had buy one get one coupon for the Garnier mask, but Garnier masks were excluded from that. So I bought these two. They were marked as $3.99 at my store. I used buy one get one coupon that we printed. I think that is printing for everyone, but that printed for me as well, and that reduces my total to $3.99. I won't suggest to do this deal because usually we get better deals, and I did this just to try if it is going good, or is there any way that we are getting $5 extra bucks as well. Let's go to next deal. Next is spend 30 get $10 extra bucks. There are several things included in that, like L'Oreal facial care. If you have those CRTs, don't forget to combine that. That will be a decent deal as well. But I did this one because I think I didn't find HE and Pantene shampoos recently in any deal, so that's why I did this one. So I bought these two Herbal Essence shampoo, that is $12, and 3 Pantenes for $15. Aveeno mask was also included in that, so that was marked as $2.99. That brought my total to $29.99. I used $4 off 2 Herbal Essence send to card coupon. I used $5 off $3 Pantene send to card. I used $3 off $10 Herbal Essence CRT. I used $4 off $14 Pantene CRT. I used $1 off Pantene app only, and $2 off Pantene and Herbal Essence CRT. That reduces my total to $10.99. I got back $10 extra bucks, making it $3, making it $1 out of pocket. But this counts toward beauty. You will get $3 beauty bucks because of this, making it $2 moneymaker. So last but not the least, the deal is freebie. We all got the app only coupon on 2 days ago, so I purchased it last night, and this was completely free because of that coupon. This was marked as $3.29 at my store, and because of that it is freebie. So I added one more section in this my CVS haul. This is Amazon must have part 1, in which I bought this Raghu camera lens kit. This comes with the 0.62 wide angle camera, 25x macro camera, 235-degree fisheye, phone holder, shutter remote, tripod. This works with iPhone X, 8, 7, 6, 6s Plus, Android, Samsung phone as well. This is marked as $29.99 at Amazon.com, and there's a coupon of 30% that you can use on this one. And the details shows that these lenses can be used on different wide angles as well. If you go on hiking, then you can use 0.62. If you go to 235, then you can use panoramic ways or hemispherical ways. For the close-up photos, for the like small objects, you can use 25x macro lens, and they all can be easily fixed. They come with a guide that you can utilize to make sure that you can be using it on your phone, and they can widen your zoom. So that can make you not to spend $500 on the bigger cameras, but this can also save you a lot of money. I will link the description. Well, I will add the link in the description below. You can use that link and you can save more. Thank you. Thanks guys, really appreciate your time for watching my video. I hope you liked it. I hope it saved you something and might have made your mind to buy some new products or something that can help your household. Keep watching, keep loving, and keep sharing. Till then, bye bye, take care, see you next week.